Hello everyone! Welcome to Quick Tech Pro. If you've run into the problem of not being able to find music results in your Instagram stories, don't worry. Today I'll show you some solutions that might help you solve this inconvenience. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is open the Instagram app and head to our profile. Once in your profile, find and press the three vertical stripes in the top right corner of the screen. Within the drop-down menu, look for and select Settings and Security. Here you will find several options related to your account settings. Scroll down until you find the Website Permissions option and then select Browser Settings. In this menu, you will find the blue option that says Clear Cookies and Cache. Click on it and confirm the action. If after clearing cookies and cache the problem persists, make sure you have the Instagram app updated. Head to the Play Store, search for Instagram and, if the option to update is available, do so. And that's it. These are some steps you can follow to fix the problem of not finding music results on Instagram stories. I hope you found these solutions helpful. If you have any questions or if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.